Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. Make sure you click the little notification button, that way you won't miss out on any new videos. I'm going to try to be more regular this year with uploading, so we'll see how that goes. So today is going to be a 1 month update. When did I dye my hair? Hold on. Yeah, 1 month update to dyeing my hair. So I dyed my hair last month. I have a video already when I was doing the process, so if you missed that video, make sure you check it out. So as far as hair changes, only part of my hair that I dyed was the tips. About, I'd say give or take this much. And I definitely noticed that my hair is a lot drier on the ends than ever before. So I have to put extra moisture, extra oil, extra everything on my ends. Like I have to specifically concentrate on those areas. I don't know if it's necessarily because my hair I dyed my hair, or if it's just natural hair shedding, but my hair, when I detangle it, I have more hair coming out. And I check the little hair balls to see if the hair is brown or black. When I dyed my hair, I dyed it brown, a light, semi-light brown. So I'm checking to make sure that the hair is black and not brown. If it's black, it's just normal shedding. If it's brown, it's falling out. So that was the main thing with me. I think now it's just shedding. So that's that. There's certain spots that's more brown than others, which is fine. That was the first time I ever dyed my hair. Would I ever do it again? Probably not. And I say no because it freaked me out, and I was praying that I didn't get any kind of damage to my hair because of the dye. Yeah, just the shedding and the dryness. That's the only thing that I really noticed. I didn't have any damage to my curls, which is perfect. It's amazing. So in that aspect, I would consider it. But for me, because of, I just wanted the experience of trying to dye my hair, doing my hair, and seeing if I would like it or not. I love the color. It's a beautiful color. It's in the front. I want to say it's like this part right here that is really, really brown, and I love it. It's gorgeous. But would I do it again? Probably wouldn't. And that brand, I definitely recommend them. I did the Creme of Nature hair dye. I definitely recommend them, especially if you have natural hair. The steps are easy to follow. The ingredients are as close to being as pure as possible. And so I definitely recommend Creme of Nature for coloring your hair if you are considering it. But for me personally, I probably wouldn't dye my hair again. And it's not because of the brand, it's just because of how I am with my hair. But yeah, I love the color. It's growing out really, really quickly. When I first dyed it, it was about this much. So I can see, you know, the new growth and how far the color is dropping, meaning my hair is growing. So I'm like, yay! But yeah. So that is an update on my color. So if y'all have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.